This statement may also be looked at as a writing sample to assess your written communication skills. In each case, the personal statement is your opportunity to make a case for why you should be offered admission to the program. Research the program to find details you can include in your personal statement, including the courses you find interesting, the career that the program is preparing you for, opportunities for practical experience, and any areas of research that the program and department specialize in. Review the key interests, skills, experience, and academic achievements that the program is looking for in a candidate so you can highlight your suitability. Before writing, consider the question, why and how did you become interested in the program? Think about the experiences you have had that could demonstrate your interest. Also, consider volunteer or professional experiences that introduced you to the field and what specific aspects of the program appeal to you. Another question to consider is, what makes you uniquely well-suited to excel in your chosen program of study? Select your most interesting and relevant experiences, describe the skills you developed, and how they will enable you to succeed in the program. Consider your personal history, including distinctive chapters in your life story that highlight your resiliency and your ability to overcome challenges. Also, consider if there are gaps in your academic record that should be explained in your statement. A final question to consider is, how will your course of study help you make a positive contribution to the field in the future? Discuss courses that interest you or professors you'd like to work with, and consider how the program will help you build a strong academic and professional identity. Open-ended personal statements will feature essay questions like, how have your academic and non-academic experiences influenced your decision to pursue graduate studies in this field? Another format of personal statements might ask more specific questions, like, provide an example of how you've used program-based learning in the past. These questions address the skills or knowledge related to your chosen field of study. Review the questions to determine what the admission committee is looking for, then prioritize experiences you'd like to include and stories you'd like to tell. Draw on all your relevant experience, including course projects, research or lab work, and non-academic experiences like extracurricular and co-curricular activities, volunteer work, internships, and jobs. Identify the most relevant skills demonstrated in these experiences and how they can connect to the program requirements. Outline the main points to include in your statement, making sure they address the key aspects of your questions, and then decide how to organize the information for your first draft. Make sure you consider the logical progression of content in your statement and how the different sections can be linked together, just like when you were writing an essay or report for class.